So when it comes to holding the hook, hold it however you find comfortable. I hold it just like that, but I know some people hold it that way, some people, you know, hold it at the end, some people hold it closer. Find whatever works for you, and you'll probably figure it out over time. You might switch it up. So to make a slip knot, all you want to do is get your wool, wrap it round your finger, pull it off your finger, push it through and pull, and then you can tighten it, loosen it. So to hold the wool, have your wool, wrap it round your pinky, and then wrap it round there, round your pinky, over there, and then grip it between these two fingers. I'm going to do that again. Take your wool, pinky, round, up, over, and then hold. And that means you can just adjust your tension and whatnot. At least that's how I hold it. That's how I learned to hold it. But equally, you can do whatever you want. And there's now like rings that you can just put over your finger for tension. But yeah. And so to make our chain, all we're going to do is take our hook in this slip knot, take it and pull through. So all you're doing is taking your hook over the top, hook it and pull through. And if you want to do that all the way from the start, wrap it round, pull through, hook through, and there you can start chaining. And then see, I'm using American terms here. So then for your single crochet, you want to go, I mean, there's different ways of starting off your single crochets, but basically when you've got your chain, then you can find the top part of your chain. I'm gonna mess this up right now. Put it through. Oh, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And by the top part of the chain, I mean, you've got the V here, flip it on its side, and you've got this arch bit. And if you put your hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and then you can see your single crochets forming. And I'm just gonna do a row of those. And by doing it that way, you just tend to get a nicer bottom on your single crochets. And there's the last one. Okay. What will I do this? 1, 2. And for double crochets, all you do is yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops, so then you have 2 left, yarn over and pull through the last 2. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, through 2, and yarn over through the last 2. And there you have a double. For a triple, you wrap it round twice, through you go, yarn over and pull through, and then the same again, you pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2, and then you have a triple. And if we undo all of that, to do a magic ring, what I like to do is start off the same way as you would to grip the yarn, but instead of going over like one finger, instead you're going to take 2 fingers and wrap it round so that you have it like that, and then take your hook under this first one and bring the back one through, and then do, it depends what you're making basically, but you can start off doing your first few singles, and then, you know, if you want to do 6, let's say we start off doing 6, we've done 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you can grab the tail and pull it, find your first one, slip knot, and then obviously you just build up your rounds from there.